One of the major projects on all three Skylab missions was the Earth Resources Experimental Program, which will certainly show the man in the street that space can be of everyday use in solving some of the world's most pressing problems, such as pollution, locating resources, and feeding the hungry. Special cameras were designed for this work. This program again brings out the importance of having men in space. For the astronauts were trained to observe specific places on Earth. They brought back photographs such as these, taken in the visible and near-infrared wavelengths, resulting in countless discoveries about the Earth in many different fields, in the inventory of water resources and study of pollution, seen so clearly in this photo of Lake Michigan in the Chicago area, in regional planning and development. Here we see the densely populated area of Baltimore and Washington, D.C. Information obtained will result in better warnings given of impending storms, such as the astronauts observed from space in the Caribbean and Pacific. This photograph of Hurricane Ellen in the North Atlantic revealed that the walls of the eye of a hurricane were sloping, which caused energy to be fed into it, a fact heretofore unknown and of utmost interest to meteorologists. In agriculture, for crop census and yield, soil moisture, and crop infestation. For example, in photographs of the desert areas of Africa, discoveries were made of the extent of damage caused by drought and incorrect cultivation methods. Valuable discoveries were also made in the field of geology to help locate natural resources, minerals and oil, so important to the world today in the light of critical shortages. Faults and changes in plate motions of the Earth, never before seen by man, were observed and studied, as were forests and range. Oceanography, the study of current flows and eddies, such as the Falkland Current, never before photographed. Aids to ship navigation, to lessen the possibility of damage to cargo and ships, and reduce the chance of major oil spills. Mapping, especially in such areas as this in South America, never before done accurately. This perspective from an orbiting spacecraft, such as Skylab, gives us a better way to inventory and monitor our resources, and provides us with information at a cost we can afford. While it will take years to study and analyze the thousands of pictures taken from Skylab, we cannot overestimate their actual value in improving our life here on Earth.